गुड मॉर्निंग, वेलकम टू साई क्लासेस। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं आपको लीगल पैसेज ऑफ स्टेनोग्राफी का शेयर कर रहा हूँ विद द स्पीड ऑफ 100 वर्ड पर मिनट। लेट अस स्टार्ट। 5 सेकेंड, 4 सेकेंड, 3 सेकेंड, 2 सेकेंड, 1 सेकेंड। स्टार्ट प्लीज। When a child comes to the court and a problem is presented, you are not putting him on probation for punishment, but to find causes and remedies. Full stop. Probation means not only working with a child but also considering all the surrounding factors. Stop. Probation is helping the individual to adjust. Stop. You utilize your own skills and the community resources within the scope and functions of the agency. Stop. Only one of the above statements mentions the idea that punishment is even an aspect of probation, and the concept of leniency is omitted by all 20 probation officers, though it is implied by some. Full stop. For offer a partly legal definitions while none specifically presents the view that probation is essentially either an administrative process or a combination of administrative and casework. Stop. Partly this may be attributed to the fact that most personnel in the field probably do not express themselves in the same way as do professional authors who are not primarily workers but administrators and teachers. To this respect, perhaps the most significant thing of all is the fact that although certain glitches appear in not one definition, is casework itself mentioned. Full stop. Yet in reply to the second question, full stop, is casework an essential part of probation? 14 probation officers gave an unqualified yes. Full stop. 5 of the others felt casework was essential to probation but limited time precluded its use. Stop. Only one answered no. Stop. Definitions of casework itself were even more general and vague than the definition of probation. Stop. The explanation which was offered most contained such phrases as helping people to help themselves, helping a person make an adjustment, changing a person's attitude. Stop. Establishing a mutual relationship, working with a person and the ability to work with people Stop. 16 of the 20 responses fell into such a classification. Stop. 2 probation officers felt probation is seize casework, and that the definition of casework is about the same as the definition of probation. Stop. The remaining 2 expressed the opinion that almost anything that is done in the way of investigation of cases can be thought of as casework. Obviously, there is no consensus or standardization of opinion concerning probation among these 20 experienced workers, nor have they any clear conception of what casework is. I suspect such a situation is journal. Full stop. When the aims of probation were considered, half the probation officers said the total adjustment of the offender was the chief goal. 5 believed complete rehabilitation was the end pursued, and 4 thought that adjustment with respect to the particular probation presented was the purpose of probation. Stop. Only one officer stated that supervision alone was the real aim of probation. Stop. If the 2 terms total adjustment and complete rehabilitation are considered synonymous for all practical purposes, then 15 of the 20 probation officers concurred on this, the highest goal of probation. Stop. With respect to what probation should be, 13 probation officers felt probation should consist of casework treatment. Stop. The remaining 7 believed casework is not a journal process and therefore should be adopted only to those cases which indicate a need for that type of. फुल स्टॉप. थैंक यू दोस्तों, थैंक यू वेरी मच. यदि मेरा वीडियो आपको पसंद आए, सब्सक्राइब करना, लाइक करना. अपने डाउट्स मुझे व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे शेयर कर सकते हो. थैंक यू दोस्तों, थैंक यू वेरी मच. बाय, गुड बाय.